Hi friends, welcome to our little corner of Tennessee. Today we are turning a free shed into my main chicken coop area. When we moved to the new property, this coop was already here, which hasn't been used in many years. So it was a temporary situation until we could figure out what we wanted to do. We found the perfect spot for them on the property, and Nick had to clear out the brush and some trees that we no longer needed. We were lucky enough that someone gave us this free shed, which is 8 by 20, and it will work perfect for what I wanted to do. So here's the fun part, getting the walls and the roof together for our little project here. So Nick put up the walls. It already came with the base, so it was just a matter of getting things together and getting the screws in. It was pretty heavy, and it was just the two of us, which most our projects we do just the two of us anyways. The girls seem to be really happy. They're all wondering what's going on. So we'll be doing two parts to this coop. So one side is the nesting boxes, the perch, where I'm going to keep food that they eat every day. The other side is going to be the storage area where I keep the metal containers of food, the supplements, the extra hemp that I put down. All the supplies that are needed to take care of the chickens will be in that area. And I wanted it separate so I don't have poop all over the place. This is the divider wall that we did. So the wood we are using are 2x3s. You can also use 2x2s and then some chicken wire. The thing with chicken wire is it's really hard to get taut and straight. So what we do is use a staple gun on one end, pull it hard, and kind of go step by step until you get to the other side. Nick is doing the whole thing, and then he's coming back through with a grinder to cut in between the wall and the door so that obviously the door can open. Next we have the nesting boxes. So we already had one set of nesting boxes done. This is kind of the bigger set where we have 3 levels, and then on the very bottom is the baby area. So there's 2 spots where we can put babies that have a door and some chicken wire on it to keep them safe while they're growing to a certain age so that they don't get trampled by the big girls. The last thing we're doing is doing the perch for the girls to sit on. At night, they like to do that, to go perch up there. Some of them do sit on the nesting boxes or inside the nesting boxes. So we're just using 2x6s and then the 2x3s. You can use any 2xs that you have lying around, or if you go to say Lowe's or something, then just get some 2x2s or 2x3s, whatever was going to work in your space. So I decided to put that on the end of the wall and have the nesting boxes on each side, which made better sense to me to do it that way. Since we had the free shed, the finished product was pretty easy to do. There wasn't much work, but the girls are happy with their new coop and all the areas that they have to nest in. Thanks for being here, friends. One project at a time, we're building our life from soil to soul.